In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lower your price on Facebook Marketplace. If you've listed an item that isn't selling as quickly as you'd hoped, it might be time to consider adjusting the price. It's a common strategy and can help boost the visibility of your listing, attracting more potential buyers. Let's dive into the details on how you can easily and effectively lower your price on Facebook Marketplace, ensuring your items are more attractive to buyers and sell faster. To start with the process, open the Facebook app on your mobile device or head over to the Facebook website on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all of your marketplace listings. If you're on a mobile device, look for the marketplace icon, which looks like a little storefront, and tap on it. On a desktop, you'll find Marketplace on the menu on the left side of your Facebook home screen. Once you're on the Marketplace page, you'll need to navigate to your Marketplace profile. You can usually do this by tapping on your profile picture or selecting Your Listings from the menu options available. This section is where Facebook keeps all of your active, pending, and sold listings in one place. It's important to head here because this is where you'll make any changes to your listing. Once you're in your Marketplace profile, scroll through your active listings until you find the item you want to update. If you have a lot of items, they should be organized by the most recently listed. Click on the item you wish to adjust. This will open up the detailed view of your listing. Here, you'll see all the information you originally entered, like the description, photos, and most importantly for this video, the price. Look for and select the edit button or icon. It usually looks like a pencil or says Edit Listing. Clicking this will take you to the editing page where you can make the desired changes. In the editing screen, you'll see the price field. Simply click inside this box and adjust it to your new desired price. As a helpful tip, consider the market for this item. Search for similar items to gauge competitive pricing. Once you've made this adjustment, it's important to review the rest of the listing to ensure all other details are correct. Sometimes, it might be beneficial to enhance your description or photos along with the price change to attract more interest. With your new price entered and any additional changes completed, look for the Save or Confirm button, which is usually located at the bottom of the editing page. Click it, and your updates will be applied immediately. Your listing will now reflect the new, lower price, making it a more compelling option for potential buyers. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently lower your price on Facebook Marketplace, keeping your listing competitive and appealing. Remember, sometimes a small price adjustment can make a significant difference in how quickly your items sell. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!